Hello students, this is Mr. Martin, and this is our last chapter, chapter 20 in Geosystems on terrestrial biomes. Now, a terrestrial ecosystem is a self-sustaining association of land-based plants and animals in their abiotic environment. A biome is a large, stable terrestrial ecosystem characterized by specific plant and animal communities. Each biome usually is named for its dominant vegetation. Most classifications use 10 biomes, which are tropical rainforest, tropical seasonal forest and scrub, tropical savanna, mid-latitude broadleaf and mixed forest, boreal and montane forest, temperate rainforest, Mediterranean shrubland, mid-latitude grassland, desert, and Arctic and alpine tundra. Now, a boundary zone between two different adjoining ecosystems at any scale is an ecotone. Ecosystems separated by different climatic conditions usually have gradual ecotones, whereas those separated by differences in soils or topography may have abrupt boundaries. Like we said, scientists determine biomes based on easily identifiable vegetation characteristics. Earth's vegetation types can be grouped according to the growth form, sometimes called life form, of the dominant plants. 6 major groups of terrestrial vegetation are forest, savanna, shrubland, grassland, desert, and tundra. Now, the plants reflect the Earth's systems: temperature and winds, precipitation quantity and seasonal timing, soils and nutrients, and chemical pathways. If you look at vegetation patterns in relation to temperature and precipitation, clearly there's a large difference along the planet in different vegetation groups. Endemic species are species that are native to a particular area, and invasive species are species that have invaded in and changed the ecosystem. So here's a map of the 10 major global terrestrial biomes. In Texas, we actually have 4 different terrestrial biomes. We have a mid-latitude broadleaf and mixed forest in the far east. As you move west, you end up with tall grass and short grass mid-latitude grasslands. And ultimately, in far west Texas, there is desert. So to end our time together of these guided PowerPoints, I'm just going to show you some pictures of different biomes. Here's a picture of the tropical savanna, the temperate rainforest, mid-latitude grasslands, beautiful picture of the Sonoran Desert, the Arctic tundra, and a beautiful picture of an alpine mountain lake. Thank you guys for listening to me in these 20 guided PowerPoints. I hope they have been educational and somewhat interesting. Good luck on the final, and it's been a pleasure being your teacher.